How's it going, Eliminators? Today, we're going to be installing a set of Diode Dynamics SLF LED fog lights onto my 2019 Ford F150. Now, a big shout out goes to Diode Dynamics for sending these lights my way. And with that being said, let's get right to the install. So coming to the front of the truck, you'll notice that I have 22-inch wheels installed. Now, because of the larger wheels, we've jacked up the front of the truck so that we can remove them. Removing the wheel will give you greater access at the inner fender. However, you'll first want to check and see if your truck has a soft fabric inner fender liner or a hard plastic inner fender liner, like mine shown here. If you have the hard plastic fender liner, I would recommend removing the wheel for better access. But if you have the soft inner liner, you can simply roll it up and tuck it in behind the tire without needing to remove the wheel. Either way, you'll have to remove some mounting hardware before you can continue. There's one push pin retainer hidden in the corner and some various screws located on the fender's arch. A trim removal tool makes removing the push pin retainer nice and easy. Now you'll have to pop the inner fender liner out of the quarter panel's inner lip first. And once you get the rest of the mounting hardware removed, you can simply pull back the inner fender liner and access the fog light connector. Grabbing the fog light connector, simply rotate it counterclockwise and pull it to remove it from the fog light housing. Now release the black locking tabs, then disconnect the light from the harness, and disassembly is now complete. Today, we'll be installing some SLF LED fog lights, proudly made in the USA, like all Diode Dynamics LED lights are. You can purchase these separately or in a kit as shown here. The SLF fog lights feature an external waterproof driver and have a power consumption of about 8 watts with a typical draw of around 635 milliamps. The output of these lights are rated at 780 lumens, and that's per bulb. And finally, the SLF LED fog lights feature an OEM size plug-and-play connector with a polarized terminal. So while no modifications will be needed to hook them up, you may need to flip the connector around. You'll see the positive and negative symbols on the connector. So we'll go ahead and plug them in, then turn the fog lights on to test the bulb. If you have them hooked up properly, the fog light should illuminate. If it doesn't, simply flip the connector around. Once you've tested the light, go ahead and insert the bulb into the fog light housing. Make sure you press firmly, then rotate it in a clockwise direction until it locks itself into position. Now you'll see that I've also used a zip tie here to secure the wire to a nearby hole, just to keep it out of the way. But installation is now complete, so I'll remove the zip ties I used to hold back the inner fender liner, then we'll get everything bolted back up. So we'll get the other side installed, then bring you back at night for some before and after comparisons. So with the Factory Halogen Fog Lights, you'll notice the orange hue, and when looking at the beam pattern, you'll see there's not much range and not a lot of width either. Yet flipping over to the Diode Dynamics SLF LED fog lights, the difference is instantly noticeable, with increased visibility, not only with the distance of the light output, giving you more range, but also a much wider field of view. But what matters the most with fog lights is visibility from inside the cabin, and the factory halogens don't have much output at all. Yet switching over to Diode Dynamics SLF LEDs, the increased visibility will definitely improve nighttime driving. Flipping back and forth lets us see the true benefit of running quality LED fog lights, and with an output of over 1500 lumens from the fog lights alone, I'm extremely happy with these results. Well, that's going to be it for today's LED upgrade on my 2019 Ford F150. Once again, big shout out goes to Diode Dynamics for sending these lights my way. And if you want to check to see if Diode Dynamics makes LED lights for your vehicle, you can check them out at www.diodedynamics.com. They offer a 3-year hassle-free warranty on all of their LED products. And if you want to check them out, I'll leave the links in the description down below. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video, think about leaving me a thumbs up. You know, it really helps me out. You can click here to subscribe and click over here to watch one of my previous videos. I upload every single week, so be sure to stop on by next week, check channel out for new content. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.